As many as 80 million bacteria are transferred during a 10-second kiss, according to research published in the open-access journal Microbiome. The study also found that partners who kiss each other at least 9 times a day share similar communities of oral bacteria. The ecosystem of more than 100 trillion microorganisms that live in our bodies, the microbiome, is essential for the digestion of food, synthesizing nutrients, and preventing disease. It is shaped by genetics, diet, age, and by the individuals we interact with the mouth playing host to more than 700 varieties of bacteria. The oral microbiota also appears to be influenced by those closest to us. Researchers from Micropia and No in the Netherlands studied 21 couples, asking them to fill out questionnaires on their kissing behavior, including their average intimate kiss frequency. They then took swab samples to investigate the composition of their oral microbiota on the tongue and in their saliva. The results showed that when couples intimately kiss at relatively high frequencies, their salivary microbiota becomes similar. On average, it was found that at least 9 intimate kisses per day led to couples having significantly shared salivary microbiota. Lead author Remco Kort, from NO's Microbiology and Systems Biology Department and advisor to the Micropia Museum of Microbes, said, "Intimate kissing involving full tongue contact and saliva exchange appears to be a courtship behavior unique to humans and is common in over 90% of known cultures. Interestingly, the current explanations for the function of intimate kissing in humans include an important role for the microbiota present in the oral cavity. Although, to our knowledge, the exact effects of intimate kissing on the oral microbiota have never been studied, we wanted to find out the extent to which partners share their oral microbiota. And it turns out, the more a couple of kisses, the more similar they are. In a controlled kissing experiment to quantify the transfer of bacteria, a member of each of the couples had a probiotic drink containing specific varieties of bacteria, including lactobacillus and bifidobacteria. After an intimate kiss, the researchers found that the number of probiotic bacteria in the receiver's saliva rose threefold, and calculated that 80 million bacteria would have been transferred during a 10-second kiss. The study also suggests an important role for other mechanisms that select oral microbiota, resulting from a shared lifestyle, dietary and personal care habits. This is especially the case for microbiota on the tongue. The researchers found that while tongue microbiota was more similar among partners than unrelated individuals, their similarity did not change with more frequent kissing, in contrast to the findings on the saliva microbiota.